Hey everyone, today I'll be reviewing the Glow Recipe Plum Plump Hyaluronic Serum. I only gave this 1 out of 5 stars, so this was definitely not a serum that worked well with my skin, but make sure you watch the whole review to see why. So this is a hydrating face serum, and it's 1 fluid ounce, it's $42. So this is definitely on the more expensive end as far as face serums go. It has a pretty average texture to it when you apply it, so there aren't really any surprises there. And then it leaves behind a slightly tacky residue. It definitely wasn't overpowering and nothing that inhibited how I could layer my products on top, but you can definitely feel that you have a serum on your skin. The application is pretty straightforward. It has a pump, which I love. You definitely only need 1 pump of serum. They say 1 to 2 on their instructions, but I even felt like 1 pump was a ton of product. So start with a little and then build up from there. But use it both morning and night on clean, dry skin. And then once it's absorbed, you'll layer your other products on top of it. So super straightforward. The dry time is about 15 seconds, so pretty quick, which I love about any face serum. It just lets me kind of move through the steps of my skincare routine. And then it's odorless, so even though it has plum in the name, don't expect any sort of scent from it. It's completely free of all scents. I use this at night first, and within the first day or 2 of using this, it was giving me reason to be concerned. I started to notice just a lot more congestion on my face, specifically nose, chin, and inner cheeks. It wasn't a full-blown breakout, but I could just see an increase in blackheads. And then after about a week of using this, I was so unhappy with my skin. First off, I started getting insane dry skin, which is wild since this is a hydrating serum, but especially underneath my eyes, it was like painful to even put moisturizer on. And then I had zits popping up all over my face, as well as those blackheads just sticking around. So this formula just did not work for me. Not only was it not hydrating, but my skin just completely blew up after using it twice daily for honestly probably only 4 to 5 days. Even though I was a little worried when I started using it, I wanted to keep up with it just to make sure it wasn't just a first time use thing or something else that was causing congestion. But when I discontinued using this, my skin totally went back to normal. So this is why it was only a 1 out of 5 for me, especially since it's so expensive. Totally not worth me being unhappy with my skin. I'd love to know if any of you have tried this and had a similar experience to me or complete opposite and love it. So definitely comment down any experiences you had with the serum. And then if you guys have any other face serums you want me to try out, make sure you give me those ideas below as well. If you want to see my full review on this serum, visit us at FaceSerum.com.